Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make the on-field circle like this in Adobe Premiere Pro 2021. Let's begin. First I'll delete this one. Okay, now let's start from the beginning. First click your clip, go to graphics here and click new layer and select the eclipse. And you can see that one eclipse is created here. So go to the shape over here under the graphics, open it, and then we don't need the fill color, it's currently in gray, so uncheck the fill color and check the stroke color into some different color by clicking the box. Okay, let's change into black and okay, and you can see that the pixel is very thin, so increase it to 10 pixel. You'll be able to see more clearly. And now bring it back and put where you want. Uh, by holding the side key you can scroll and resize into different sides. That's it. This is how you bring the circle in your Premiere Pro video. Thank you for watching my video.